Hello, Junior Stag. How is everybody today? I am really good. I enjoy talking when people draw my picture.
Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ah. She used to tie her hair up in ribbons and bows and sign her with X and O. She got a picture of mom, heels and curls. She's American girl. She's American. Okay.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Fuzzy and I'm from Clonmel.
Hello, my name is Simon Madigan and I'm at Junior Stag this morning.
Hello, my name is Matthew. This is a fox and a pup on top.
Hello, my name is Eva and this is a made-up character from the anime Naruto.
Hello, this is Junior Stag and my name is Michael and this is my character from Star Wars. This is Junior Stag. My name is Sally and I drew this character this morning.
I did this picture in Junior Stag and his name is Neville McDevil and I'm Eva.